Early Morning continues on Eyewitness News.
And good morning, 5:34 at a relatively quiet Indianapolis Motor Speedway because the gates will open here at 6 o'clock. We are here at the Media Center, close to the pagoda here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway as we count you down to the 103rd running of the Indianapolis 500, and for the first time ever right here on Channel 13.
That's right. We are very excited. We've had a great month of May leading up to today. Here's the only problem, the weather. Sometimes it doesn't get the memo on these big days. Chuck Lofton is manning things from inside the pagoda this morning. And, Chuck, it does sound like, as you talked to Allison Millangton here just about 20 minutes ago, that right now everything is on schedule for these gates to open at 6 o'clock.
Right. They're going to continue to monitor things, obviously, here. But, yes, the gates will open. And then, as Allison mentioned, there are what they would call collapsible events. So there's, if we get storms moving in here and they need to shut the idea of having some things that are out on the track, shut that down and then move on ahead with something else, they have the ability to do that. So everybody out here is watching the weather. Of course, we are too. And Lindsay Monroe, I'll tell you, the winds out here were howling. We had the cloud-to-cloud lightning about an hour ago that was really strong, but now so much of that's moving northeast, right?
Yeah, Chuck, it's been mainly across the northern part of the state so far today. Good news is we do not have any active warnings, but we certainly have some storms that are packing a punch moving into the Muncie area as we speak. This is heavy rain, frequent lightning now over Winchester, just below severe limits with up to 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible within these storms. And this does extend down to Anderson. Want to take this even farther back to the west and show you where the Motor Speedway is located here. Of course, just to the west of the Indianapolis Metro. Really not a lot on the radar back across the western side of the state. But this storm system is really just getting started. Here's what's going to happen this afternoon. This boundary that's stalled to our north right now extends all the way back through Iowa and Missouri. It's eventually going to slide south through the course of the afternoon. So the fact that we're getting a lot of this rain through earlier on, it's going to allow for some dry time through the first part of the day. Here's the latest on Future Track 13. Notice as we take you through the 9 o'clock hour, really not a lot of action going on the radar. However, as that boundary approaches, depending on where it sets up, how much energy is available in the atmosphere, looks like it's going to sit up here right along I-70 and then push southward sometime afternoon today. And that's where that highest risk of severe weather will be across the southern part of the state as we get into the later afternoon hours today. There's that storm risk setting up. This does include the Indianapolis Metro and the Motor Speedway. This is a level 1 of 5 through the central part of the state with a chance for the more widespread severe weather even farther south. So your forecast for today, we'll call it like this, starting off near 70 with those scattered storms moving in now. Some dry time through the mid-morning and through that green flag, it looks like potentially, and looking at the potential here of those storms in the afternoon redeveloping, and this is when we'll potentially have some concerns with the raceway.